Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Chevrolet Suburban 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the following features are included: front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a roof rack, rear wipers, and power seats. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.